Hi there, students. Semi. Okay, we use semi as a prefix or hyphenated. It means half, partial, incomplete, somewhat, rather, quasi. So the semi-final, a semi-detached house. Okay, so semi, half, partial. Yeah, not complete. You can also actually use semi as a noun, a semi. If I hear the noun a semi, I either think of a semi-detached house. This is a house which is split in two. It's two houses. Yeah, it's one building and it's split down the middle, and there's a house on the right and the house on the left. The semi-finals, we reached the semis. My team reached the semis. My team reached the semi-finals. Or a semi, a truck, yeah, a semi-articulated truck. Okay, so yeah, a tractor trailer, a semi-trailer, an 18-wheel trailer, an Arctic. I'd call this a 7.5 ton truck, 40 tons loaded weight. Okay, so semi. Let's go back to semi as a prefix. So semi, half, hemisphere. Demi, a demigod. Let's see. Notice demi also means partial. Yeah, and you could probably also use the synonym quasi. So this is a semi-governmental organization. It's a quasi-governmental organization. Somewhat, yeah? He's a demigod, part human, part god. Yeah? So a semicircle, yeah? Half a circle, but a hemisphere. Although it should really be a semisphere, but it's a hemisphere. Yeah? Okay, so semi, half, partial, not complete, partly, not completely. Okay, so semi. Yeah? This is a semi-abstract painting or a semi-abstract idea. He is semi-autonomous. Yeah, he can act on his own with a bit of guidance. A semicolon, it's not a full colon, it's not as much a break as a full colon, it's just a semicolon. That's why you've got the dot and the comma. Yeah, semi, okay, so halfway, partly. So, let me go on. So, something that happens halfway through a period of time. Our semi-weekly meeting, our semi-monthly party. Yeah? Partially, partly. These people are semi-civilized. Yeah? It's semi-dry. It's not completely dry, but it's semi-dry. Partial or incomplete. There was semi-darkness. Yeah, it wasn't completely dark, but it was partially dark. It was incomplete. This is semi-complete, okay, not completely done. This work is semi-autobiographical. It's got a lot of truth, but some of the bits are invented. Yeah, he leads a semi-hermetic life. Yeah, he's half of his life or a part of his life like a hermit. So quasi, yeah, quasi. This is quasi autobiographical. It's semi-autobiographical. Okay, this is semi-done. It's partially done, but it hasn't been completed. Yeah, this idea is semi-interesting, or as I sometimes say, this word is semi-formal. It's well up on the formality scale, but it's not very, very high. Semi-formal, 6.5. Okay, so let's see. Let's look at the origin. Well, semi comes from the Latin word semi, meaning half. Yeah, that meaning a part of it. Yeah. Okay, and let's see. Formality. Semi. I'm going to give semi a 5.5 in formality when you use it as a prefix. Use it with just about anything. Yeah. He did this semi-quickly. It works. You can put it with just about anything. Yeah, now you're going to give me some examples where you can't. Famous last words. And then notice a semi for a house, a semi-detached house, 3.5. A semi-trailer for a truck, a semi, 4 in formality. The semis, 3.5 in formality. You'd need to give the whole thing to go up to 5 in formality, the semi-finals. So, semi. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating. If you're semi-happy, then halfway. Subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. The prefix semi. A semi.